My beloved brothers and sisters, wallahi, one of the moments in the life of every parent, or the moment every parent grieves for, is to see their child walk upon the path of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Every parent is desirous, subhanallah. Everyone wants his child to walk on the path of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But the problem today, every parent, every father have been silent, and so many children are not listening today. But there was a man long ago called Lokman al-Hakim, Lokman the wise. This man, one time he called his son and sat with him and started to tell him words of wisdom. Subhanallah. And those words, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make them part of the Quran. Subhanallah. And these words are not only for fathers and sons, they are for every believer who want to live in this world with purpose and want to die with faith. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make us among those who will die with faith and will live with purpose in this life. Today, inshallah, we'll be talking about the timeless wisdom of Luqman alayhi salam. This advice Luqman alayhi salam gave to his son, this advice is for every believer who wants to be successful in this dunya and yawmul qiyamah. And today we'll be working on this so we can understand the wisdom behind the advice of Luqman alayhi salam to his son. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make us among those who will listen to our fathers, to our parents, and may Allah make us among those who will advise our children. Amen. And we start with Luqman alayhi salam. Who is Luqman alayhi salam? Luqman alayhi salam, according to the Salaf, they were different in opinion. There were 2 points of view. Some of them says Luqman alayhi salam was a prophet, and some of them said Luqman alayhi salam was a servant of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Majority of them choose the later part, which says Luqman alayhi salam was just a servant. Subhanallah. This majority of the scholars before they says Luqman alayhi salam was a messenger, a slave, a servant of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, an abid, a elite worshipper. Subhanallah. So my beloved brothers and sisters, Luqman alayhi salam, we all need to learn from his lessons which he taught his son. And Luqman alayhi salam, according to narrations, his description, they say, some narration says that Luqman alayhi salam was from Ethiopia, right? He was a carpenter. And another narration says that Luqman alayhi salam was from South Egypt, right? And he was what? He was a wise man. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala withhold prophethood from him. He has knowledge, Allah gave him wisdom. And another narration says that one time Luqman alayhi salam was with his master, and then his master says to him, Ya Luqman, go and slaughter sheep for us, and then bring for me the 2 best parts. And when Luqman went to slaughter the sheep, after that then he brought the tongue and the heart. So as time passes by, his master